Happy Vlogmas Day 4. Day 4. It is morning, it is Saturday. We have some things to do. We're getting ready for the party tomorrow. And first, we're gonna need coffee.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Your girl needs coffee. So I'm gonna grab my coffee cup. This is funny because I'm so want to look at myself, but I need to look at you. So, all right, let's do this. Get that half and half. Coffee! Oh yeah! Coffee! I need my coffee in the morning. Coffee in the morning. So good. I'm gonna put some cream on there, some cinnamon. Oh yeah! I wonder if there's more in here. It's brand new. I think my daughter got it out. Brand new. Oh, that is gonna overflow! We're overflowing. Oh my gosh, we're overflowing. So much for aesthetically pleasing, huh? That is a cup of coffee if I've ever seen one, people. Yes. Princess! My cup of coffee overflowed. What am I supposed to do? It's right here. Look at her, she's so cute. What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.
You match my cup. It's so pink and beautiful.
It doesn't have what
I'm gonna take a turkey baster. Turkey baster. And I'm gonna get another cup. I'm gonna do this. What do you do when you overflow your coffee cup? You just baste it out. Oh, wait. Who knows how to use a turkey baster?
you have more right here.
Right? I'll clean it up. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. I think your sister made a mess last night. There's a ring of coffee on the counter. All right, here we go.
That, yes.
Mine.
I don't know if
Let's get the cinnamon. Oh, it's just my coffee. If I could just get this in the frame, that would be awesome.
I'm making hot cocoa, Mom.
It's my coffee. It's my hot coffee. All right. You can see the mess that we've made. So today's agenda is get everything tidy. I went to the store, so I have everything. Plug in the Christmas lights, of course, and put this somewhere. Not sure where we're gonna put it. Dust, we need to dust, we need to vacuum, we need to tidy. I need to finish putting the decorations up, inside, outside, and clean outside because, hi buddy. Vlogmas? We're gonna decorate the rest of the house. We added this to our front. We added the little snowman. Is he so cute? This is the Franklins. So cute.
I can put my hand in here.
You could put your hand in there, His pockets. So I'm gonna actually replant these maybe on the side of the house in the backyard. So they have life to live. Sweep everything out here. Move that wood probably. Today is gonna be a super fun, productive day. I just need to eat something because I need to eat something. I need to have some energy. I need to take my vitamins and all the things. So excited. Okay, I'm gonna go get some eggs right now because my husband said I need eggs and I forgot to go to the chicken farm yesterday. Okay, so I'm gonna go right now. Get excited. It's the farm, it's the chicken farm. Look at how cute this place is. I get to drive up, grab my beautiful eggs. It's literally so convenient and so affordable to know that you have organic, beautiful, beautiful eggs. Look, driving up, look at these. We have construction happening. Dun, dun, dun.
Our car's dirty and we need to clean it. I found them! Oh, dude, they were hiding. All right, grab them so then I can put them in this place. I will grab them myself. Can you put this in the trash? In the recycle? Can I get two? Just one, buddy.
Seriously, we have kind of a mess, so I'm gonna tidy up in here and just put this. Ow, that just hit my. This is like empty. I need a new one. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? This is for my lips. This needs to be returned, so I'll take that inside. Lippy lips. Put that there. And these are our sanitizers that are. Do you want to open the door for me, baby? You got me a flower?
It wasn't dead, it was alive.
Thank you, I love it. Thank you, baby.
I just got one.
Did you comb your hair today?
No.
Okay, comb your hair today.
I'm with Nanny's house.
Oh, you are?
I'll comb my hair too.
Okay, comb your hair. Love you. We're cleaning up, baby. Gonna have a beautiful party tomorrow.
Can I go to Nanny's house?
What do you think?
Yes.
All right, but you need to comb your hair, okay?
I'll comb my hair at Nanny's house.
Okay, comb your hair there. I clean to get it dirty, to clean to get it dirty, to clean again. Seriously. Arise and shine. I literally wish I would have showed you what was under this table before I vacuumed. Before I vacuumed under this table completely, it was a disaster. And this vacuum is absolutely stunning. It has 2 settings and it has the, oh come on, focus baby, the hard floor and the carpet. I have 1 carpet in my floor, or in my house. It's over there in my living room, but literally, I love this vacuum because I have all tiles and I vacuum every inch of my floors. So I just did the hallways and yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. So here we go. Okay, so I'm just sitting down for a second so I can catch my breath. My daughter just came in and she needed 2 Band-Aids because she hurt herself outside. I'm still sipping on my coffee, which is cold. But it's delicious. So yeah, here's progress on the house. I have vacuumed completely. I still need to put this stuff up. Vacuumed the carpet, like I was telling you, I only have 1 carpet and there's 2 weird lines. I'm gonna fix that. I'm really weird about lines in the carpet. I'm tired, it's like lunchtime. Oh my gosh, so cute. I did a training this morning
So I love to learn. I'm always learning. So I was doing that this morning, kind of cleaning, kind of just, you know, I stopped and listened because there was some really great information, and I'm moving forward on my next transition in life. So it's very exciting. And you're a part of it. It's right here on YouTube. And I'm very, very excited to share my world, share my passions, and inspire, create, and hopefully my goal is to inspire you to create the life that you love. Because I was inspired by somebody to create the life that I love. And this is just another opportunity for me to share my story, share my tips and tricks and my passions to, I mean, if you see something that's in my house or you see something that I do that you're like, oh, that's a good idea. Like, that's what it's all about. Light bulb moments, like ahas, like lead yourself well, love yourself well, take care of your priorities and your values, and live a life that you go to sleep and you're like, oh, that was such a great day. I feel fulfilled. That's what I want for myself and for my girlfriends here. So that's why I'm doing what I'm doing. And this is my first Vlogmas. It's my first real vlog. So it's all exciting. I've done, you know, Insta stories, and now the reel. I don't really do the reels because I'm still learning them. But yeah, I've been sharing, you know, blips here and there on social media, but it's time to delve into this platform here on YouTube and really share what's happening in my sparkle world. I love it. So I'm glad you're here. If you're having a good time with me here on the Vlogmas, please subscribe, of course. And but if you like what you're seeing, there's gonna be more. I'm like my head is overflowing with ideas for just fun things, fun videos I'm gonna be sharing. Again, my renovation, we're at like renovating outside. We are adding a couple rooms. I'm gonna have a new gym. I'm gonna have a new beauty room office. I'm gonna have a new closet, and there's just so many things to come on fashion, beauty. I mean, I'm a homeschool mom, so I'm gonna be sharing that stuff, and I'm still learning that. I'm so new in homeschooling, so I'm learning my systems that are working for us, and we're like just working on it. It's preschool and kindergarten, and so you could just imagine the challenges I have personally, running a business, running the home, being a wife, a mother, all the things. So I'm in a season of transition. I'm in a season of honoring where I'm at. I'm in a season of like getting excited for who I am. I'm learning myself all over again. It's really exciting because I'm finding my sparkle again. Because, you know, when you're a mom, you can really lose yourself in motherhood. Or if you're a wife and you have a home, you can really lose yourself in that. And so I need to wash my hair and blow dry it. But I have just been kind of just being, and it's not like being purposeful being. It's not been, of course, in my life, day to day, my purpose is to be a mom and a wife and keep my home together. That's a given. But there's just so much more. Have you ever just felt like that? There's so much more for me to give. And I am an out loud person. And so this is just a season of me getting back into my roots of being fun and not obnoxiously loud, but being out there. Like, my husband is the complete opposite of me. And so we really balance each other out. But this is a time for me to embrace who I am and utilize this platform. And so if I can inspire you to do the same, because you are amazing. Look at my gloves in the middle of cleaning. But you are amazing and you can do the same. And so if I can just ignite a fire in you and you're like, girl, I can do this too, then let's do it together. You are amazing and creative, and nobody is you. Nobody's you. And you can do amazing things, and you know things that I don't know, so you can teach me, you know what I'm saying? And that's why I love YouTube so much, is because we can learn from each other. I've learned so much from YouTube, like hands down. It's amazing. So that was a ramble, but on to our vlog. Vlogmas.
Hey, I'm so glad that you hung out with me today. If you like this, please tune in, subscribe, and click the bell notification so you know when the next one's coming up. Vlogmas number 5 is right around the corner. So we are going to continue this party. Talk to you soon. I am so excited you're here.